हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप सब। आई एम श्योर आप लोग एकदम बिल्कुल मस्त टकाटक हो। मैंने भी बहुत सारे वीडियोस डाले, अबाउट 125 वीडियोस अब तक हो चुके हैं। और बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब अप्रिशिएशन मिलता है इन द रेंज ऑफ व्यूज़, लाइक्स, सब्सक्राइब्स। मैंने नहीं सोचा था। आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड 15 days बैक, not even very serious because I don't know, right? I'm trying to learn, so I'm learning and doing my videos. So each time I do a video, मेरा कैसा है, I'm learning from somebody else, right? I look at all the opportunities available. I see what is there in the environment around me, राइट. सो मैंने सीखा थोड़े यूट्यूबर्स से, सब लोगों से. आई टेल देर ऑल माई गुरुज, राइट. सो आई लुक फॉरवर्ड फॉर देयर वीडियोज. आई स्पेशली वॉच फ्यू पीपल. सो आई टेल whom I watch next time, not in this video, because I want to learn more from them and then start spreading about them, right? So I really liked a couple of them who are very senior. One person, he spent 7 years in this field, and I've become a fan of him. The way he speaks, he makes these educational videos, and I've been following him now continuously. I'm trying to learn from him, and I would say, if you have a name, always have a teacher for yourself. We are all in this era of education, which is online. We're all Eklavyas. We will always have a student. From me also, there might be somebody who will learn tomorrow and I would not even know who it was, right? So keep learning, we will do good, and keep subscribing my channel the same way you have been doing, and love you all for all the love you have shown.